today, we have a mouth-watering treat in store for you, Caramel Oreo Fudge. First, let's gather your ingredients. You will need 125 grams of butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, 385 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 25 milliliters of vanilla essence, 15 milliliters of brown spirit vinegar, and 13 Irresistible Oreo cookies. Lightly grease a 20 by 20 centimeter square tin and line it with baking paper, ensuring it overlaps on the sides for easy removal later. Arrange the Oreo cookies evenly on the base of the tin, setting the stage for the perfect fudge. I'd love to know where you're watching from, so drop me a comment for a shout out on my next video. Remember to subscribe, leave a like and hit that notification bell. Add the butter to a 3.5-liter microwave-safe dish and heat it on high for a minute. Then, carefully remove it from the microwave. Now, get ready for the next step. Add the brown sugar and sweetened condensed milk to the mixture, but resist the temptation to stir just yet. Let the microwave work its magic for another minute on high. Take a moment to imagine the sweet flavors melding together as you inch closer to the sensational Caramel Oreo Fudge. With masterful blending, unite the ingredients. Anticipate the heavenly transformation as aroma fills the air. Moments from savoring Caramel Oreo Fudge. Then, back into the microwave for 3 minutes on high. Remove from the microwave, remix thoroughly, and then resume cooking for 3 more minutes. Witness the magic unfold before your eyes. Once complete, remove it once more, provide a thorough mix, and place it back into the microwave for another 3 minutes. Watch the flavors meld into perfection. As you mix until well combined, notice the sugar dissolving, transforming the texture into a smooth delight. Remember to handle with care, the mixture is extremely hot. Now, return it to the microwave for 1 more minute, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. As you remove the mixture from the microwave, don't worry if the oil separates, it's a natural process. Now, add the delightful vanilla essence, followed by the rich note of vinegar. Mix everything together with skill and speed, being cautious of the hot steam. Keep mixing until the oil disappears, leaving behind a velvety, creamy blend that's simply irresistible. As the Oreo cookies eagerly anticipate their sweet caramel embrace, I carefully pour the steaming fudge mixture over them, resulting in a heavenly fusion of flavors. With the back of a spoon, we delicately smooth out the fudge, creating a picture-perfect surface. Don't forget to share your delightful creation by commenting on this video with a photo. Now, allow the fudge to cool for a tantalizing 10 minutes, building anticipation for the first heavenly bite. Remove the fudge from the tin, grasping it firmly by the overlapped baking paper. As we skillfully slice the fudge into delectable squares, the anticipation builds, knowing that soon, the moment of revelation will arrive. Patiently, we let the squares cool completely, allowing the flavors to meld and the texture to reach its peak of perfection. Don't miss the unveiling of this mouth-watering treat. Share your excitement with us in the comments below and let us know where you're watching from for a chance to get a shout out on our next video. Once cooled down, flip each piece to reveal the mesmerizing marble of Oreo cookie and fudge. Store this delightful creation in an airtight container lined with baking paper to preserve its magic for every indulgent moment.